Now, there are so many AI tools out there, and one of the most popular ones is Google Gemini. With Google Gemini, you can actually create videos. In this video, we'll show you how to generate videos using Google Gemini. First thing you need to do is install the Google Gemini app. It's available on the Play Store and App Store. Anyway, after that, just open the Google Gemini app. When it opens, you'll land on a page like this. Up here, you can see the Create a Video option. Just tap on that. Or if you can't see it, here's what you do: look for the Settings like button, tap it, and then you'll find the Create Videos option. Tap on that, and then you need to type your prompt here. Or if you're not seeing those options, you can just type something like generate video or whatever, so Google Gemini understands you want to create a video. After that, type your prompt in this box. Then hit the send button. Now you'll see it saying generating video. One thing, here I've just used a really short prompt. When you're writing prompts, don't use short ones like this. You should give as many details as possible. For example, I just wrote Running Man, but if you're giving a prompt like this, what you need to do is include maximum details. That means mention his age, his height, his weight, what he's wearing, everything. You should also describe the background, the angle, everything you can think of. So if you do this, you'll get much better results. That way, you'll get the video that's exactly in your mind. And if you're not great at prompting, here's another trick: you can ask Google Gemini to create a good prompt for you. Just go to a new chat and tell Google Gemini to give you a great prompt. The three important things to keep in mind when prompting are: first, assign a role. In this case, since we want a prompt, we tell Google Gemini, you are a prompt engineer with 5 years of experience, something like that. Then you tell it what you want, in this case, a prompt for video generation, and after that, give the context. We need to provide maximum details about the video. There too, give as many details as possible. The more details you give, the better the results you'll get. After that, you can copy that prompt, paste it here, and you'll get great results. Anyway, the video's been generated. This is it. And if you want to hear sound, there's a button like this. Tap it, and when you do, you can hear the sound. If you want to share this video, here's the share button. Just tap it and share away. Or if you want to download the video to your phone, there's a button like this. Tap it and the video will be saved. Or you can tap these 3 lines here, then tap Save Video. When you tap that, the video gets saved too. So this is how you can easily generate AI videos in Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.